bekkani lage se dokbar hot fantui more hobe majuno poran poche to pago al pago no podine ori mo pago I Sinhanirdi, Sinhanirdi, Sinhanirdi. Hozoma, tuli hozoma, Bozana korish tuli bedona. Hozoma, tuli hozoma, Bozana korish tuli bedona. Tole ade mogu, tore ni ne hodokaza, tore ni ne hodokaza. Jina buran amai dumui hayong tare, nana dadu mama hobo hoite more. Jina buran amai dumui hayong tare, nana dadu mama hobo hoite more. Mama sidi no gori toi mui haitele, dijone mili soitto gori hamaka hoj fele. Dijone mili soitto gori hamaka hoj fele. Jade jade lagot piyon ekkana damon, dol gori ne bozi elo goro udono. Dune tare gom lagilo azilo momon, suduk bek uri gelo go feels like awesome. Goro de ene babi selum hi olo even, sobono de zot dinere de hi olo hizen. Lamba lamba sulani tar hogil hogil so, ek duro tundere tare mona rohe so.
하나 더? 네, 완성 하죠.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day.
그리고